Focus on making friends who are ready to bunk lectures with you. सबसे पहला friend group होता है तुम्हारा, वो सबसे घटिया friend group होता है. You know what's worse than being talked about? It's not being talked about. It's being irrelevant. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Anya and from the last few days मुझे इतने DMs आ रहे हैं about what LSR is like, what DU is like, what life in general as a college student is like. So I thought, how about you and I sit together and we discuss everything related to college and LSR. I have all the questions here, so if I'm looking down, you know why. So for some context, I'm a third year at LSR. I'm doing my honors in English and my minor in journalism. The first question I got is, I heard that girls' colleges are very much toxic as compared to the co-ed ones. Is it really true? How was your experience at LSR with the teachers? Is campus life very much academic or fun too? Okay, first of all, I do not think girls' colleges are toxic, and I really think ये बस तुम्हें बोला जाता है by your male friends ताकि तुम लोग girls' colleges में ना जाओ and you don't get to experience literal utopia. Trust me, girls' colleges are not all toxic. Now, if it's academic or it's fun. देखो, this is true for any tier 1 college in DU. It is strict and it is academic. Our professors are so passionate about what they teach, and that is why in turn they expect कि तुम भी time पे assignment submit करोगे, तुम classes में आओगे and you will participate. तो हाँ, पढ़ाई हम लोग करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारी क्लासेस पूरे दिन कैंसिल हो रही हैं. इनफैक्ट वी रेयरली गेट फ्री बिफोर 3:30 और 4:30 इन द इवनिंग. तुम्हारी कॉलेज लाइफ फन तभी होगी जब तुम्हारे दोस्त अच्छे होंगे. अगर तुम्हारे दोस्त अच्छे नहीं है तो चाहे तुम्हारा कॉलेज कितना भी अच्छा हो, यू विल नॉट हैव फन. फोकस ऑन मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स हु आर रेडी टू बंक लेक्चर्स विद यू टू गो आउट एंड हैव फन. अदरवाइज पूरे दिन क्लास में बैठ के किसी को भी मजा नहीं आता है. नेक्स्ट, LSR में पेट डॉग्स अलाउड हैं? आई थिंक यार किसी ने कभी ट्राई नहीं करा पेट डॉग लेके आने का, बट वी हैव 3 or 4 कैंपस डॉग्स. आई ओनली नो वन ऑफ देयर नेम्स, इट्स सनशाइन, क्योंकि वो नेस्कैफे के सामने बैठी रहती है और हम नेस्कैफे हर क्लास के बाद जाते हैं, तो आई ओनली नो हर नेम. बट वी हैव like 3-4 कैंपस डॉग्स and we love them so much. They are so cute and cuddly. Do you get singled out in college for being an influencer? I like to call myself a content creator, but no, I don't get singled out. I've had juniors come up to me and say hi and all, and it feels really nice, honestly. I've never been like, nobody has ever made fun of it or anything. And that's just another thing about being in LSR, okay? People are so fucking supportive. They love you for whatever you do, except bad things. Don't do bad things in college. How to not get stuck in a slump and be motivated? You can never be always motivated. In fact, with me, 5% of the times I'm motivated. The rest of the time, I'm just disciplined enough to pull through, you know? मतलब अंदर से कभी किसी के फीलिंग नहीं आई है जिंदगी में कि हमको उठ के काम कर लेना चाहिए. किसी के नहीं आई है. Everyone likes laying down on their bed and chilling. Okay, so you will never be motivated अंदर से. तुम्हें खुद से उठना है. You're like, okay, I need to do this shit, I need to get this done, so I will get this done. How to deal with back bitching? Does it happen a lot in girls' college? The best way of dealing with back bitching is to understand that the people who are bitching about you behind your back are so pathetic. मतलब तुम सोचो भाई, this person has nothing else going on in their life that they have to talk about you. And you should feel proud of that. Like, you know what's worse than being talked about? It's not being talked about. It's being irrelevant. I've been in a situation where people I used to call my closest friends have talked shit about me. And I used to go up to them and confront them and ask them, तुमने मेरे बारे में ऐसा क्यों बोला? But now I've realized, why do I even have to give my energy to them? Right? The one thing that I have and that matters the most is my peace of mind, is my energy. And I'm not spending that over this bullshit. Are you in UK for summer school? How are summer schools in general? So a lot of people thought I was doing a summer school in UK. I was not. I was on vacation, guys. If you have extra money lying around, then go for it, because it is definitely an experience in itself. But अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि कोई बहुत ही महान तुम्हें डिग्री मिल जाएगी समर स्कूल करके, ऐसा नहीं है. Because all of the summer schools that happen in UK especially are affiliated with the universities. They are not from that university. I've read a lot about it. I'll link stuff down below if you want to know more. Basically क्या होता है summers में, because all the students have gone home, the universities are empty, but they still need to make the money. So they call you international students to come and give them your hard-earned 4-5 lakhs for a 3-week course. I don't think it's worth it for me personally, but तुम्हें अगर वो experience करना है, then go for it. How does it feel to be a part of South Campus? What are the election days like? So that's another thing I love about being in LSR. हमारे कॉलेज में कोई ये इलेक्शन की गुंडागर्दी नहीं होती है. We are far from all that in one corner of South Delhi and we are very happy there. So election days are just like normal days. In general, I prefer South Campus much more than North Campus. But I do miss that university वाली vibe जो North Campus में, क्योंकि सारे colleges इतने पास पास हैं and you get to network with a lot more people. How do you manage college with all the other stuff that you do? Okay, so for those who don't know, I am a freelancer. I have my own little business going on with ghostwriting and personal branding. And well, there's social media that I'm managing and my college stuff. As to how I manage all that, I don't. हर महीने ऐसे phases आते हैं जिसमें कुछ time I'm like great at college and then I suck at all the other things. And then the other time I'm like very active on socials and very active with my client work and I'm sucking at college. So honestly, I haven't figured out that balance either. I'm always sucking at one thing or the other and it does get very exhausting. But I also feel like अब नहीं करूँगी तो कब करूँगी, you know? Like I won't be having this much energy in my 40s, 50s. So I want to do everything, might as well do it when I'm 20, you know? I'm just about managing. Fail नहीं हो रही हूँ कहीं पे भी. But yeah, I'm not excelling 100% at everything that I do right now. How did you start freelancing? Any plans to join the corporate sector apart from freelancing? I started freelancing in 2023. I started writing on LinkedIn and then I saw that everyone else was doing ghostwriting. So I was like, I'll also try it. अब तुम कह सकते हो तुक्का भिड़ गया, because turns out I'm really good at what I do. For the first 5-6 months, I only worked with like 2-3 founders. And now I've started working with many other and many cooler founders. As for the second part of your question, I do plan on getting a job because मुझे वो भी experience चाहिए ही चाहिए. So we'll be sitting for placements after my 3rd year. We'll also be doing freelancing side by side and we'll see where that goes. Is it difficult to fit in if you join college 1 month late? How to cope up? It's not at all difficult. I'm pretty sure 3rd or 4th list of your spot round and all आते रहते हैं 1-2 महीने तक. Some of my friends have joined the college 1 month late and they're fitting in just fine. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि सबके फ्रेंड ग्रुप्स बन गए होंगे, ट्रस्ट मी, जो सबसे पहला फ्रेंड ग्रुप होता है तुम्हारा, वो सबसे घटिया फ्रेंड ग्रुप होता है और वो फ्रेंड ग्रुप टूटता ही टूटता है. ठीक है, मेरा भी फ्रेंड ग्रुप जो सबसे पहले था कॉलेज के एकदम स्टार्ट में, वो टूट जाता है. आई ओनली टॉक टू लाइक 2 people अभी, बाकी किसी से मेरी बात नहीं होती. तो फ्रेंड्स बनाने की चिंता मत करो, 3-4 महीने लगते हैं टू मेक दैट कोर friend group जो तुम्हारा 3 साल तक रहता है. So no, you won't struggle. And I think that's all the questions we have for now. I hope you guys like this video. I really like doing this one-on-one thingy with you. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. I have everything linked below. And I'll see you next week.